So there's actually four types ng customers based sa Effortless Experience na book. And if you haven't read that book, I strongly recommend you read the book. Okay? So that way you can improve yung call handling mo, especially if you're on customer service, nag-work ka sa BPO, especially nagtatrabaho ka sa US account. It's pretty tough. But if you're working in an Australian account, then that's okay too. So there's actually four types of customers based sa effortless experience. So number one is controller, which is yung pinakamahirap. Number two is entertainer. Number three is actually feeler. And number four is actually thinker. So if you try to manage your customers, you manage them based sa four types of customers. Okay?